Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to clean makeup brushes at home with shampoo. This will be a super easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. All that you need is your favorite makeup brush that you want to clean. You also need a bowl. You need access to some lukewarm water, and you need some shampoo. Any shampoo will work. They all work in the same way for this purpose. You'll also need a cloth to dry it off when you're done. So the first thing that you want to do is fill up your bowl a decent amount with some lukewarm water. I'm going to do that right now, just like that. The water was already lukewarm. I already warmed it up before the video. And then now you have your lukewarm water in a bowl. Now you don't want to put too much water because you want the shampoo to sort of run its course. So now what you're going to do is just put a little squirt of shampoo into that water. Just a little drop. That's all that you need right there. You really don't need that much, okay? Then you want to mix that shampoo in the water. And I'm just using my finger, but you're going to end up mixing it anyways with the brush in a moment. But mix that shampoo into the water like that. What you have now is some lukewarm water that has been mixed with just a little bit of shampoo. And that shampoo, believe it or not, does a great job at cleaning a makeup brush and removing the leftover makeup on the brush. What you want to do now is take your makeup brush, okay? And you don't want to really submerge it because you don't want to get too much of this part wet. Oftentimes this might be made from wood or plastic, and you don't want too much of the water to get on the metal over here. So you just want to get basically the actual bristles of the makeup brush right here, okay? And you're swirling it in the water. So right now, we are swirling the makeup brush in the water. Like I said, we're trying to get mostly the fine hairs on the makeup brush, and you only need to do this for probably, I would say 30 seconds to a minute is plenty of time. Now, you're going to notice the water is slightly discolored because it is removing the makeup from the brush. But this is my wife's makeup brush, and I and her, we both take on the duty. Sometimes I clean it, sometimes she cleans them, but we clean them fairly often. That's why it's not that dirty. But if you use your makeup brush on a daily basis or even a couple times a week and you haven't cleaned them before, your water is going to be really, really dirty. Okay? It's going to remove the makeup from the brush. Okay? Now that this is done, the makeup, all the makeup that could have been removed has basically been removed, okay? So you can go ahead and you can do other makeup brushes in there as well. You can do many of them in just a single bowl of water, okay? But I'm not gonna be doing any other ones for this video, so I'm just gonna dump out the water like that. Okay? I'll rinse the bowl after. And now what you wanna do is you don't wanna just leave this, you wanna dry it. So what I like to do is place it inside of the cloth, just a dry cloth, and run it through like that. Give it a little bit of a swirl, not too much though. You don't want to fray out the bristles. So you just give it a little bit of a swirl like that. Try and continue moving on to other dry areas so you really dry it out, okay? Just like this, okay? And then once again, a couple of pulls down on the tip of the makeup brush and another couple swirls. And already, I'll tell you right now, already it's almost dry. So if you do this for another 30 seconds to a minute, okay, just like that, you will have a pretty much dry makeup brush. If you let it sit for, I don't know, just a few more minutes, it should be pretty much completely dry. You can feel it and it's already pretty much dry. And that's basically it. That is how to clean makeup brushes at home with shampoo. An easy tutorial. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.